briefed to create a learning experience that would inspire and support the next generation of independent news journalists.
Bonjour, bon dia. Welcome, good morning from New York.
As beginner creators, this audience can be really diverse, not just in the genre of news that they report on, but in their experiences, in their digital marketing skills, and in their levels of confidence as well. But ultimately, they all carry the same ambition: to develop their online presence, to improve their content, and to grow their audiences. These insights inform 3 guiding principles for the YouTube News Creator Workshops. Firstly, we had to keep it simple. This was a global, multilingual audience who were new to the platform, so every touchpoint had to be inclusive and it had to be accessible. Secondly, we had to provide value. What could we give journalists that would actively motivate them to create content that would increase traffic to their channel? Finally, we had to adopt a campaign mentality. This meant building a program that had multiple touchpoints and long-lasting resources.
To drive participation, we created a promotional film series that focused on authenticity, showing creators in their own backyards, making news in their own way. And it worked really well. Our audience could see themselves in the characters we scripted, resulting in phenomenal demand at registration.
We also worked creatively to develop a program identity that reflected them, something visually relatable that felt both playful and energetic, that could really come alive to frame both the conversation and the content across all of the touch points.
Across 6 workshops, participants had access to established YouTube creators who offered mentorship and advice through regular Q&A sessions. From bonus material to weekly newsletters, we built this evolving library of resources that supported lots of different learning styles and was also available on demand. Frequent and engaging communications kept the conversation flowing between workshops, and regular tasks were set to incentivize action.
Keep posting, keep experimenting, and find your why.
By taking part in our YouTube News Creator Workshops, our beginners honed essential skills. They gained confidence, and they also saw significant shifts in engagement across their channels, fueling the motivation to continue their own news creator success story.